Hi guys! Kyla here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys is another phone review and unboxing. At ang phone na i-review natin guys ay walang iba kundi ang Redmi Note 14. So itong Redmi Note 14 guys is meron siya mga 5G version and Pro version. So ang meron tayo dito guys is yung 4G version. So this is the Redmi Note 14 4G. So dito sa Redmi Note 14 guys, this is a budget-friendly phone. At ito ang pinakamura sa Redmi Note 14 series guys. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly phone, stay tuned and let us see if this is the perfect phone for you. And dito guys sa ating video, isasabihin ko rin syempre kung magkano ang ating Redmi Note 14 4G. So stay tuned and watch until the very end for its price. So ano pa hinihintay natin guys, and let's start the video. Now let us start with the unboxing. So as we open the box guys, we will see here the SIM ejector tool, the quick start guide and warranty card, and we also have here a protective case. At syempre makikita rin natin dito ang Redmi Note 14. So as you can see here guys, meron na siyang pinapakita ng mga quick specs. We also have here a Type-C connector and also the adapter. And now, let's talk about the design of the Redmi Note 14. So for the Redmi Note 14 4G guys, this has 4 different colors. So ang Redmi Note 14 4G ay available in the colors Midnight Black, Ocean Blue, Lime Green, and Mist Purple. So ang meron tayong color dito guys is the Ocean Blue. So as you can see here for its design guys, it has a round edges. At ito guys is meron din siyang matte finish, which is good kasi hindi siya makakapag-leave ng any fingerprints. The Redmi Note 14 4G also has a thickness of 8.16 millimeters, and it weighs about 196.5 grams. Now for its design guys, this has an audio jack. So lately sa mga videos na napapanood nyo sa akin is usually wala na tayong mga audio jack, but thankfully dito kay Redmi Note 14 4G, meron siyang available na audio jack. So pwede dito yung mga wired devices, mga wired earphones, mga wired headphones, pwede dito kay Redmi Note 14 4G kasi meron siyang audio jack. So the audio jack is located here on the top, and syempre dito is meron din tayong dual speakers. We have a speaker syempre sa baba and another speaker here on the top. At meron din tayo ditong IR blaster, and also we have syempre yung Type-C port, and we also have here the SIM tray. Let us find out if this is a dual SIM or a single SIM. So for the Redmi Note 14 4G guys, this is a dual SIM, and you can also insert a micro SD for more storage. And now let's talk about the display of the Redmi Note 14. So for its display guys, it has a 6.67 AMOLED sunlight display. And for its display guys, it also has a 1800 nits peak brightness. And katulad nga na sinabi ko guys, this has an AMOLED screen display. And this is really great guys kasi with AMOLED screen displays, you can expect a more greater range of color options and better looking images and videos. Now for its resolution guys, it has a Full HD Plus 2400 by 1080p resolution. And for its refresh rate guys, ay hindi kayo malulugi dito kasi meron siyang 120Hz screen refresh rate. And syempre with a 120Hz screen refresh rate, you can expect to have a more smoother and better animations. So wala kayong masasabi dito sa kanyang screen refresh rate kasi 120Hz is really good na guys. At dito sa ating Redmi Note 14 4G guys, ay meron siyang Corning Gorilla Glass 5 Ultra Hard Glass Front for enhanced screen protection. And now let's talk about the performance of the Redmi Note 14 4G. So for our Redmi Note 14 4G guys, this is equipped with a MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra. And also dito kay Redmi Note 14 4G guys, we have 3 different variants for its storage. So our first variant is the 6GB of RAM with 128GB of ROM. The second variant is the 8GB of RAM with 128GB of ROM. And lastly, we also have a 8GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM. And now for its IP guys, it has an IP54. So dito guys, kahit mabasa rin natin ang ating screen, okay lang at pwede pa natin siyang magamit kasi meron nga siyang IP54. And again, for additional knowledge, IP stands for Ingress Protection. So itong Ingress Protection, ito yung makukuha mong protection against water and dust particles. And now let's talk about the gaming of Redmi Note 14 4G. So for Redmi Note 14 4G guys, this is more suitable for casual gamers. So our Redmi Note 14 4G guys can handle popular games such as Mobile Legends, PUBG, COD, and other games at medium settings. It can give you a stable performance, however, you should look out for prolonged games kasi maaaring mag-init ang ating device kapag masyadong matagal tayo naglalaro ng ating games. And also, this is not for hardcore gamers again guys kasi nga, it can handle games in medium settings lang. And now, let's talk about its battery. So among our Redmi Note 14 series guys, eto na yung mayroong pinakamalaking battery. So ito ay meron siyang battery na 5,500 mAh battery. And also guys, if you want to find out the specs sa ating Redmi Note 14 series, just comment down in the comment section below if you want me to make a full review of the whole Redmi Note 14 series. And this also has a 33 watts turbo charging. And finally, let us talk about the camera of the Redmi Note 14 4G. So for its camera guys, this has a triple camera setup. So dito sa ating triple camera guys, syempre, uunahin natin ang main camera. So for its main camera guys, we have a 108 megapixels with 1.7 aperture. So karagdagang kaalaman lang guys, so the lower the f number, the higher the aperture. So yung aperture guys, it controls how much light enters the sensor, affecting the brightness, depth of field, and low light performance. Basically, it lets in more light sa kanyang sensor, improving the low light performance. And moving on guys, for its second camera, which is the depth camera, we have the 2MP depth camera, which has a 2.4 aperture. And lastly, para sa ating triple camera, we also have a 2MP macro camera with 2.4 aperture. And para sa kanyang selfie camera guys, sa kanyang front camera, we have a 20MP front camera. And for our rear video recording guys, we can record up to 1080p with 60 frames per second. And itong frames per second guys, you can switch between 60 and 30 FPS. And for its front video recording guys, you can record up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. And it also has another useful feature in its camera, wherein it has a teleprompter. And here you can display your script while recording your video. And here are some few pictures and a video for you to see. So dito guys, considering the price, okay na ang kanyang camera. And you can expect a good photo basta mayroon din kayong magandang lighting. So what do you think about its camera guys? Let me know in the comments below. And lastly guys, sasabihin ko na dito yung pricing ng pinakamura sa Redmi Note 14 series, which is the Redmi Note 14 4G. So again, dahil meron tayong 3 different variants guys, we also have 3 different pricing for each variant. So for our first variant, which is the 6GB of RAM with 128GB of ROM, it has a pricing of 7,999. And for our second variant guys, which is the 8GB of RAM with 128GB of ROM, we have a pricing of 8,999. And lastly, for the last variant guys, for our 8GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM, we have a pricing of 9,999. And again guys, yan na ang pinakamura guys na pricing for our Redmi Note 14 series. Kasi itong Redmi Note 14 4G guys, ito na yung pinakamura. At ito na rin guys yung mayroong pinakamalaking battery capacity. And guys, if you want me to create a phone review sa ibang Redmi Note 14 series, just comment down in the comment section below. And that is all guys for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So that is all guys, and see you guys on the next phone review and unboxing. Bye!